the Garden of Whispers. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills stood an old abandoned garden, long forgotten by time. Once vibrant and teeming with life, it was now a tangle of weeds and overgrown vines. However, beneath the chaos, the soil held secrets waiting to be unearthed. One crisp morning, Clara, a curious botanist, stumbled upon the garden while exploring the outskirts of the village. Intrigued by its potential, she decided to restore it. Armed with seeds from heirloom vegetables, she envisioned a colorful tapestry of tomatoes, carrots, and vibrant peppers filling the space. As Clara toiled in the earth, something extraordinary happened. Each time she planted a seed, a soft whisper seemed to emanate from the soil. At first, she dismissed it as her imagination. However, as the days passed, the whispers grew clearer. They spoke of the history of the garden, of the families who had nurtured it, and the love that had once flourished among the rows of vegetables. Encouraged by the whispers, Clara dedicated herself to the garden, nurturing each plant with care. With every sprout, the whispers grew louder, filling her with a sense of belonging. Villagers began to notice the transformation, drawn by the enchanting aura that surrounded the garden. As summer approached, Clara hosted a harvest festival, inviting the villagers to celebrate the rebirth of their shared heritage. Together, they feasted on the bountiful produce, each bite infused with the whispers of the past. The garden, once a relic of neglect, had become a vibrant testament to community, reminding all that from the soil of forgotten dreams, new life can emerge.